Colleagues talking.
This is awesome. I just sold 10,000 units of the new product.
That's great.
Online business is the best business during lockdown.
I agree, but when did you schedule delivery of the product?
Next week.
But you will face problem with transportations. How will you deliver in 1 week?
Oh my goodness. I didn't think about that.
Next time examine the situation thoroughly, before you jump the gun.
Husband and wife talking.
I'm so excited that Jim did so well in her exams. Maybe we should start making the arrangements for her higher studies.
Well, she has already applied to all the big universities.
I'm just so confident she will get selected in all of them.
Me too, but I wonder if we're not jumping the gun.
Of course not. We will wait and see which university accepts her, and then we will take any decision.